Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to episode of PATTAY'S Performance. The rain has been broken. Yes, it is February. Yes, it is depressing. Yes, it is not snow, but that's life. It is what it is. So, if you guys remember, for maybe a couple weeks ago, I had the Honda SRM215 Harmony that I got from Sam and Leo over at S&L Brothers. We got this thing working with very minimal effort. So the next thing was to restore value to this machine, and had to get the airbox cover, which I got from 5 Speed Ash over in Lindenhurst. Okay. He gave me the thing for this, but I don't know what the hell I did with it. So the next part was on the video that we talked about, we left off, is leave it as is, or are we going to restyle it? So, you guys know I hate rainbow colored, schemed machines or anything in general. So we have what was that, light gray, the faded gray on the deck, dark gray, red, and black. That's 5 different colors. That is not happening. Sorry. Oh, and a little bit of orange, but you know, we could leave the orange on the handle. It's not a big deal. So we're gonna tone this down. I got new wheels for the rear, so it's gonna end up probably being black. I'm probably gonna take the air filter down to black as well, because look at that. What color is this? This is black. Why make it any different? So, and that's gonna go too. That's probably end up. That's gonna probably, the grass bag cover is gonna be black too. And then we'll bring it down to red, black, and the gray. So from 5 colors down to 3. So it's not too bad. And then we'll put, a coat of shine on it. So I ordered the OEM Honda wheels. I think they cost me less than $40 shipped to the front door. This is your part number. I'm going to put a link in the description of where to buy them. Okay? Now, this is an oldie but a goodie. Okay? Remember, it has dual blades just like the new Hondas. It's basically set up the same way. It's just an older engine. But this thing's supposed to last forever because of the non-metal deck. So if you look at the newer Hondas, what color are they? They got black wheels and a little bit darker of a deck. So by painting this machine, we're going to update it and add some value to it. So it was raining, so I was painting inside the garage. But now that it stopped, I can go back out into my element. So as you guys can see, these are the brand new ones. They're coming out really, really good. So I'm going to start stripping down the machine and we'll get the rest going. Alright, so remember, because it's a Honda, everything is metric. 14mm to pull off the wheels, and it should be a 10mm to knock out the air cleaner cover. Look at that, nice and easy. Now I know what you're thinking. Yes, but as soon as these wheels go back on, I will paint over the bolts. Of course, my Milwaukee M12. Effortlessly, just taking this off. Nice and easy. Next 2, give that a good wipe down, and then we can start painting. Yeah, see this? Just a different color gray. It's got to go bye-byes. So just like that, you have 1-2 nuts and the last bolt for the carburetor. 10mm. And just like that, they're off. Stick these mamma jammies here so we know. going to clean this off, wipe this down, and off the paint it goes. Alright, so obviously, listen, just give this a quick wipe down. This thing has already been power washed like crazy, in the past. Sam and Leo did it before they gave it to me. Thank you very much, guys. Okay. And then even just the inside, I mean, it is what it is, right? We can't make this perfect without pressure washing them, but we'll be fine. This Rust-Oleum sticks to anything and everything. So if there is a problem later on, it's on the inside of the wheel. You will just go right over it. You will be just fine. Or maybe I could just do the outsides, right? And then, because the outsides will be fine, and then I could just paint, I could pressure wash the inside, bring them to work during the week, pressure wash them, let them sit inside the Honda, let them dry, and we'll call it a day. Alright, as always, some black spray paint and we'll get this thing going. So the only thing I'm not sure of what I want to do, right, is what do I want to do? Stupid sticker. Usually, I just kind of go right over them. But let me just see. This is the pan. I think this just knocks out. Because the only reason why... we have to remove this whole piece here, right? Which isn't too bad. Because then we could knock down... Yeah, that's metal. So we can knock down this. What's this underneath? No. We take this out, right? And do this here. Thinking out loud, right? Then we can knock this out. This is a lot of work. The only reason why I feel it's a lot of work because this would just be a pain in the ass to... I mean, it's not really difficult to do, but then we could paint this one color. You know what? I've never taken this Honda, never taken a mower this far. Let's just see what we got. This is probably a 13 or a 12. Yeah, let's zip that off. Let's see what happens. Alright, so 12 millimeter it is, and I know where I'm doing some of the work that I did. You guys remember, this thing had a lot of different colored parts. So we'll start with this side first, and let's see what we got after we break this down. Hopefully this side just kind of pops right out. Nothing comes flying off. Okay. Alright, so there's this popped out. So what I like to do is, put things kind of sort of back where they are. Yeah. Now what is this? This should be a 13. Because this is what I added right here. This should be a 13 millimeter half. This is not factory. This is something I added on. because remember, this thing had all different hardware. Oh, this is going to be perfect. So remember, take things off the way you found them, and we'll get to start seeing the innards of a Honda. That is it. That's not bad at all. Look at that. It's metal. Oh, this is going to be easy. This is going to be easy. Yeah, okay. That bolt will stay there, being held in. And then we got to put that clip on the inside. See this? This went on the inside over here, and we're good to go. Alright, so what's good for one side, we got to do the other now. Whew. So let's start with this here. And then, obviously, because the back end of this is exposed, we have to paint this outside piece, you know, inside out. That's life. Right? Nothing we could do about it. Actually, you know what? I think I broke this side loose already. So, hold on. Let's see with the 12. And then the last but not least, the finishing touch will be handles and stuff. I broke this loose. So we'll just pop this out here, like that. Alright, so now this next part here, you gotta free up this grass flap. A little punch. We're gonna send it through. And I think at this point, we will just, now put your hand down on the spring, and that's that. And then this spring comes out. I hope it doesn't shoot me in the face. Come on. What are you doing? Alright, that's pretty cool. So the spring stays. So you have to watch yourself. God, what would I kill to have my pressure washer on? Alright, so I made an executive decision. We're just going to remove this sticker, because this sticker defeats Darwinism. If you know, well, I'm sorry, if you don't know not to stick your hand underneath the lawnmower, I mean, you got problems. You got real big problems. That same person is a liability. You're actually, not only are you breathing the same air as this person, right? They could be sharing the same road as you. So, yeah, we're going to get rid of this sticker. Sorry. We're going to get some heat. Get this thing nice and hot.
You really should just peel right off. And then we can get ready for paint. I actually think it's going to be a really, really nice machine. Perfect. We'll wipe this off and get rid of that.
Alright, so sticker away. Just going to slap some paint on this thing and call it a day. Alright guys, see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance.
You got that.
Later.